Gunmen kill man, but getaway car crashes, killing 2 suspects.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Police investigators in St. Ann are probing a robbery, murder and fatal crash, which are believed to be linked. The incidents occurred in the parish on Saturday night, resulting in the loss of 3 lives. It has been theorized that armed robbers stole cash and shot a man, then fled the crime scene in a motor car, which later crashed, resulting in the deaths of 2 of the occupants of the car. Police reports are that about 7:20 p.m., an unidentified man was shot and killed at a rest stop at Jaxall by 3 armed men, who subsequently escaped in a Toyota Axio motor car. The fatal shooting was reported to the police, and an alert was sent out for the getaway vehicle. Less than an hour later, lawmen were alerted to a fatal crash in the Cave River area along the Landover Main Road in the parish, which reportedly followed a shootout between police personnel and the gunmen in the Toyota Axio motor car along the Northern Coastal Highway in St. Ann. A car which matched the description of the one that was involved in the murder incident earlier was discovered to have crashed into an Isuzu motor truck. The impact of the crash sent both vehicles into bushes along the side of the roadway. 2 of the men who were traveling in the car succumbed to their injuries from the crash. One of the suspects in the car had to be cut from the wreckage by firemen from the St. Ann's Bay fire station. The 2 other suspects were taken to hospital, where one was pronounced dead and the other has been admitted under police guard. One of the deceased from the crash has been identified as 27-year-old John McLeod of a St. James address. The other deceased from the crash has not yet been identified, but the 3 men are all believed to be from St. James. Law enforcers reportedly retrieved a Taurus 9mm pistol and 5 rounds of ammunition, along with cash from the motor car. The police are continuing their investigation into the incident.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.